Hello, welcome to the second episode of Tech Help with Tech Awareness. In today's episode, I will be covering computer components. When you think of the word motherboard, you might think of the image on the left. However, in more recent times, the image on the right better serves as an example. The motherboard is the most important part of the computer, which serves as a platform to connect all other components. Moving on, we have the central processing unit. The CPU is responsible for processing and interpreting commands and is like the brain of the computer. The graphics processing unit is used to render images, 2D or 3D, but they were not as prevalent during the early days of the computer, as the CPU would often do these rendering calculations by itself. But now, with applications taking up more strain on the CPU for rendering, graphics cards were made to do the rendering for it. Next up, we have random access memory. RAM stores memory to be retrieved on a short-term basis, which comes down to programs that don't require as much storage. Leading into storage, the storage in a computer is where all data required to run a computer, as well as programs and applications, are stored. Right here, we have two SSD drives. They look very similar, but they each have different amounts of storage capacity. Finally, we have the power supply unit. As the name states, it provides power to each and every component in the computer. It's one of the most vital components, as without the power supply unit, nothing can happen whatsoever. Thank you for watching the second episode of Tech Help with Tech Awareness. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you learned something new about technology. With that being said, that concludes the second episode of Tech Help with Tech Awareness, and I will see you all in the next one.